Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this 42-in-1 ratcheting T-driver tool set. This actually has 40 pieces in here. It'd make a great gift to give to somebody. I currently use one of these, absolutely could not live without it. This is basically combines the versatility of a ratchet with the compactness of this T-piece that allows you to get in tight spaces and turn those ratchet pieces. And you can select from any one of these. You have star bits, you have Torx bits, you have standard Phillips heads, flat bits, and even these longer bits up here. That everything is labeled and numbered extremely well. When you put one of these on here, it's all magnetic, so it simply magnets into place, is not going anywhere. And what I love about it is the fact that these side pieces and the front piece are all removable. So if you have a really tight place to get into, maybe you need to go ahead and extend this end part out. You can extend this all the way out, put this on here, and now you've got a long way you can get in there, and you can still turn this back part here, which is great. You can interchange it, maybe just keep one of them on there if you need a little extra torque to help get around. And then whenever you're wanting to switch to reverse it, you can just simply switch the switch on the top, and it'll reverse and allow you to unscrew anything on there as well. So really a lot of versatility with these, and they help you get in and out of a lot of really tight spaces. It's an extremely compact, nice little kit that would work well in anyone's toolbox.